वेलकम यू ऑल इन द फार्मेसी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। आज का ये एक्सक्लूसिव लेक्चर कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स पर मुश्तमिल है जो मुख्तलिफ स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट में फार्मेसी के पूछा जाता है। पाकिस्तान एटॉमिक एनर्जी काउंसिल, NTS गेट सब्जेक्टिव, पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन और सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के पास पेपर्स में इन पॉइंट से MCQs पूछे गए। तो आइए इन MCQs को पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं। Point number 1 is the color of cyanocobalmin, which is dark red in color. Number 2, coca leaf contain tropacocaine, ecgonine, nicotine and hygrine. ये important MCQ से points बनाए गए और यानी जो सवाल आएगा इम्तहान में या आ सकता है इम्तहान में वो ये हो सकता है कि what is the color of cyanocobalmin और नीचे multiple options हो सकते हैं। dark red उसमें से बिल्कुल ठीक जवाब होगा। Point number 3 is deficiency of vitamin B causes Beri and Alzheimer. Deficiency of Nicotinamide causes Pellagra. The lubricant which are used in manufacturing includes benzyl alcohol, talc, paraffin, ethyl cellulose and polyethylene glycol. The date for Punjab drug rules was 1988. It was first launched and it was revised in 2007. The date of Drug Act is 1976. The date of Pharmacy Act is 1967, which was amended in 1973. Degree of Pharm D Ordinance was in 2005. Before that, it was a 4 years program, Bachelors of Pharmacy. HSA Ordinance was passed in 2002. PMDC Ordinance was passed in 1962. Vitamin C is present in pepper, dark leafy green vegetables, kiwis, broccoli, berries, citrus fruits, tomatoes, peas and papayas. The RF value for chromatography ranges from 0 to 1. The test for carbohydrates includes Osazone, Slewinof, Barford, Molish, Felling and Benedict. The agent used for Argentometric Titration includes ammonium thiocyanate, ferric ammonium sulfate and potassium chromate. The endpoint of complexometric titration is a colored complex. Use of rhubarb is for gastrointestinal problems, heartburn, renal disorders as well as cancer. Alpha peltatin and beta peltatin found in Podophyllum peltatum and glycosides respectively. Most commonly used antidepressant is paroxetine, marketed as Paxil. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin named as tocopherol. Hakim Ajmal extracted ajmalin from Rauwolfia serpentina. Ninhydrin endpoint for protein are secondary amines and ammonia. Neurotoxicity caused by which of the following anti-cancer drugs includes cisplatin and platinum drugs? Wavelength of paracetamol detection is 329 nm. Which of the following is used in chemotherapy-induced vomiting, that is 5-HT3 receptor antagonist? Which of the following used in Parkinson, that is levodopa? Who described allergy, that is IgE? Vancomycin caused convulsion, bloating and numbness. Melting point of benzoic acid is 122.41 degrees Celsius. The local anesthesia include procaine and lidocaine. HIV Protease Inhibitor includes secukinumab, ritonavir, indinavir, nelfinavir and emprenavir. Urokinase is found in kidney and responsible for the conversion of plasminogen to plasma. Maher belong to family Bacillinaceae. The parents' allele may differ from both the parents. This is one of the chance for the children's. हम बार बार इस बात को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं और इन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स से हम पास पेपर्स में देख चुके कि मुख्तलिफ MCQs पूछे जा सकते हैं, तो हम उसकी प्रैक्टिस आने वाले स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट के लिए कर सकते हैं। लेबलिंग एंड पैकेजिंग ऑर्डिनेंस पास हुआ 1986 में। जेनरिक नेम एंड नार्कोटिन ऑर्डिनेंस पास हुआ 1973 एंड 1997 में रिस्पेक्टिवली। इनहेलेशनल anti-anginal drugs include amyl nitrate. Asthma includes selective beta-2 agonist, that is albuterol. Stretching and bending of vibration is observed in NMR. एरिया अंडर कर्व का फॉर्मूला इस वक्त स्क्रीन पर लिखा हुआ है। एक सवाल में एरिया अंडर कर्व का फॉर्मूला पूछा गया। एट्रोपिन का एंटीट्यूड है फाइसोस्टिग्मीन। इंसुलिन सिक्रेशन आयंस इंक्लूड सोडियम, पोटेशियम एंड कैल्शियम। द स्टेशनरी फेज is a hydrophobic phase in HPLC. Number of carboxylic groups in aspirin is 1. The number of OH groups in pyragolol is 3. The chemical name of paracetamol is para-acetylaminophenol or acetaminophen. Slewinof test is for fructose and sucrose. Penicillin is a 5-member thiazolidine ring. Unani or Ayurvedic ordinance date was 1965. Volatile oils extracted from hydrodistillation and expressions. More than 20 alkaloids in opium are present, including morphine as a chief alkaloid. Ascorbic acid is found in citrus fruits. Ibuprofen is dissolved in chloroform, CCl4 and aqueous alcohol mixtures. The drugs used in chronic glaucoma include acetazolamide. Drug permeation, that is carrier-mediated diffusion, passive diffusion, active diffusion and simple diffusion. The lactose causes discoloration of acidic compounds, nucleic compounds and amino compounds. Bismuth compounds are antacids. The number of nitrogen atoms in purine are 4. The UV visible spectrum range is from 400 to 800 nanometers. Camphor in active form is its racemic mixture. Pungent principle in capsicum is capsicin. Electrophilic substitution reaction includes halogenation and nitration. Atomic absorption spectrometry is for metal ions and metal hydroxides. Anti-cancer that cause neurotoxicity includes platinum drugs. Ninhydrin reactions with protein will result in deep blue and purple color complex compounds. Aromatic ring gives yellow to red colors. Steric ammonium sulfate titration endpoint and indicator is ferrion, which is a pale blue colored compound. In HPLC, the stationary phase is polar. The compounds containing ester, ether, amide, carboxylic acid, basically performing oxidation, hydrolysis and reduction reactions. The color of tocopherol is transparent in nature. The study of bioavailability in human and animals to optimize drug therapeutic effect is called as bioequivalence. The anti-anginal given through nasal route includes amyl nitrate and oxycords. Absorption from intramuscular route depends upon the blood flow. Lubricants used commonly for tablets is magnesium stearate. An end product of complex titration reactions are blue starch iodide colored compounds. बहुत शुक्रिया आप तमाम का इस वीडियो को देखने का। इंशाल्लाह हम आने वाले एपिसोड्स में और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।